Hello everyone. This is in continuation to various problems what we are doing in logarithms. Next one is if log p minus log q equal to log of p minus q, then find the value of p in terms of q. So let us take the left hand side, which is log a minus log b. So I can write it as log a by b is equal to log p minus q. This implies I can equate P by Q is equal to P minus Q. We are supposed to write the value of P in terms of Q. So let us bring P to one side. So I can say I will bring that negative Q to the left side. Take this P by Q to the right side. So it will become minus P by Q. And here LCM is Q. So I can say PQ minus P. Here we will take P outside, Q minus 1 by Q. That means by cross multiplication, you have Q square equal to P times Q minus 1, or P is Q square by Q minus 1. That will be the solution for this. You are already expressed P in terms of Q, right? In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.